Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, we are doing the adult beverage collab again, as I have a playlist that's linked in my description box down below for you guys to check out a bunch of different great adult beverages that we have created over the year. This video is hosted by Miss Wanda. You guys can check out her channel. It is linked in my description box down below, as well as her other channel, Grandma Does It All, where she does some great cleaning, cleaning up the grandkids' rooms and getting the household back in order. So check that channel out. I'm the co-host, and I'm going to be bringing you guys 2 recipes for you all to try at home with your family, your kiddos, whatever. So my drinks today are non-alcoholic, because I know a lot of kiddos are out of school, and the one thing that they love about summer is just being able to have something cold while they're outside playing, or if they're on the beach or whatever. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. Both of these drinks are a great way to sit back and relax and kick off Shark Week, or to kick off a beach vacation, or just because these ocean floats and mermaid slush is the best thing to add into your summer plans. Be sure to check out the playlist that's linked in my description box down below. Okay, so I have the Hawaiian Punch. This is the Berry Blue Typhoon. I also have the Big K Lemon Lime Soda, my glass, and I have the Neapolitan ice cream. I am not using the strawberry or chocolate. I will just be using the vanilla. I am using what I already have in the house instead of buying out, just to show you guys these ideas. So for this, we're gonna fill 2/3 full of the blue drink. You guys can use Gatorade if you choose to, or any other blue drink of your choice. Okay, next I'm gonna add in that lemon lime soda. It gives it a fizz when the ice cream melts. Next I'm gonna add in 2 scoops of ice cream. And voila, all you need to do is add your straw. Add your straw and serve. Recipe number 2 is a mermaid slush. I know you're like, what? So you're only gonna need a couple of ingredients. You're gonna need some sugar, you're gonna need Gatorade, and you're gonna need some ice, as well as some food coloring. Let me just say I switched it up, and I do not have Gatorade, so we are improvising with what we have in the house. So let's go over to the kitchen. Okay, so you're gonna need your blender for the mermaid slush. We're gonna be basically layering 3 different colors in this slushy. Of course, you can't make this out on the beach, but you guys can make this at your home or your beach house or whatever for your kiddos, especially with like the Little Mermaid just coming out. This is really great if they haven't seen it already and you wait until it comes out on DVD or Disney Plus. Okay, so I do have my ice. I also have my snow cone syrups that I'm going to use for today. I have my plastic clear cup. This comes in a 100 pack with lid, so that would be a really great idea. I will have that linked in my description box down below. And we have just a little bit of sugar. All right, so I have my magic bullet out. You guys are gonna just put in some ice along with, we're gonna start with the green. And then I'm also gonna be putting in the sugar only in this one. Okay, I have my 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 pieces of ice along with the green food coloring syrup. Just so that it's not full of syrup, I am gonna add in a little bit of water. Go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it at the bottom. Okay, just make sure you rinse out your blender cup before you do the next color. So now I'm going to be doing the blue. So next you'll add that layering of the blue. Next, I'm going to be adding purple. I did have some Gatorade in the refrigerator. Okay, so basically the middle part was supposed to be blue. It blended in with the green. But anyways, the kids will love this as it is simply just either syrups or Gatorade, ice, water, and some sugar. All you need is a spoon, or you can use a straw with the lid. Cool. Now that right there is a drink I would have loved to have back in the day, playing in the front yard, backyard, whoever yard. All I'm gonna say is thank y'all for watching to see these 2 recipes. I hope that you guys give these a try with your kiddos, as my kiddos are gonna love this. They love anything syrupy. They also love anything with ice cream. So, man, it's hot up in here. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Be sure to check out the playlist that's linked in my description box down below, as well as hitting the thumbs up on your way out the door. See you in the next video.